So welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about table in HTML. Yes. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about tables in HTML. Yeah, table in HTML. So let me show you how to set up a table in HTML. So we are going to start with the table element. With the table. Then we are going to set up our table row. Then the table head, which is the month. Let me say the month. Then we are going to have another one. Let me say the savings. The savings. Okay, the savings. So as you can see, it is displaying here right on our website. So now let me create another table row. Then table head. Let me see the month of January. January. Then let me see table data again. Let me see $50,000. So now this is a simple table in HTML. Yeah, this is the very first foundation of all tables in HTML. You may be wondering that, like there is no you don't have that we don't have the normal borders in it. So the borders will be created with HTML. Yes, we can create borders with HTML, but this is the main foundation of all tables in HTML. So let me quickly just add a few line of HTML so that let me quickly add a few line of CSS so that you will be able to understand that this is a table, because CSS beautify HTML. So So this is the end of today's tutorial. So in our next class, we are going to discuss more. When we get to CSS, we'll be able to apply some borders, some CSS borders to our table. So thank you.